Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Student, firstly we will do the solution of our test paper. See here. Write PR if they are in the simple present tense. यदि सेंटेंस क्या है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है, तो आपको क्या लिखना था, PR. और PA इफ दे आर इन द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. और यदि सेंटेंस किस में था, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में था, तो आपको क्या लिखना था, PA. We cooked beans yesterday. PA. I do my homework in the evening. PR. Question number 2. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in brackets. I dash on bench and waited. Past. I sat on bench. Amira dashed her pen in school. Amira lost her pen in school. Question number 3. Underline the main verb and circle the helping verbs. In these sentences, the king is acting foolish. So acting is main verb. Underline it. Is helping verb. Circle it. It was raining heavily. Raining is your main verb. Underline it. And circle your helping verb. Was. Fourth, complete these sentences with the correct words in the box using the prefix un. I saw him throw a stone at the cat. What an unkind boy. Write the meaning of the following words. Sowing means planting seeds. Nibbled at something in small bites. किसी चीज़ को छोटी छोटी bites में खाना. Write the answers of the following questions. I don't believe you. Who said these words to whom? The camel owner said these words to the ministers. What did the first minister tell the king when he told them he wanted to collect money from the farmers? जब किंग ने मिनिस्टर से पूछा कि उन्हें फार्मर्स से मनी कलेक्ट करनी चाहिए, तो फर्स्ट मिनिस्टर ने क्या कहा? फर्स्ट मिनिस्टर ने ये कहा कि जो फार्मर्स हैं वो बहुत क्या है, पुअर हैं, तो हमें उनसे मनी कलेक्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके बेटा, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ योर टेस्ट पेपर. एंड नाउ वी विल डू द बुक वर्क ऑफ आवर चैप्टर. व्हिच चैप्टर इज गोइंग ऑन? दीपा कारमेकर. ओपन पेज नंबर 107. Today we are doing vocabulary. Read this sentence. Soon she was cartwheeling through the air. The word cartwheeling. Tell us how Deepa moved. This is the movement words. And same you have to get in the exercise. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Limp, wriggle, flap, leap, sway, pounce. According to the sentences, you have to select the correct movement word. The little child dashed through the gap in the fence and entered the garden. The little child wriggled through the gap in the fence and entered the garden. Wriggled means twist and turn करना. Twist और turn करके little child कहाँ enter हो गया? फेंस के गैप में और गार्डन में. ओके, wriggled ये पास्ट में दिया हुआ है, so you have to use here past form. Wriggled. The second is the baby birds are trying to dash their wings. Baby birds अपने wings को क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा है? Trying to flap their wings, यानी कि उसको झपटपड़ाना. किसको? wings को. Third, why are you dash? Did you hurt your leg while running? Why are you limping? Limping means walk with difficulty. जब आप डिफ़िकल्टी से वॉक करते हो. डिड यू हर्ट एनी योर लेग वाइल रनिंग? जब तुम दौड़ रहे थे तो किसी ने आपकी लेग को हर्ट कर दिया. वाई आर यू लिम्पिंग? ओके. फोर्थ, द ब्रिज वॉज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट इवन द ब्रांचेज ऑफ द ट्रीज बिगेन टू. ब्रिज इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि जो ट्रीज की ब्रांचेज है ना, उन्होंने भी क्या शुरू कर दिया है? बिगेन टू स्वे. स्वे होता है स्लोली मूवमेंट्स. Fifth, after it rained, the children enjoyed leaping in and out of the puddles. Leaping होता है jumping करना. Leaping in and out of the puddle. Sixth, my kitten loves to play. It hides behind the chair and dash on our feet when we walk by. My kitten loves to play. It hides behind the chair and pounce on our feet when we walk by. Now come here, writing part. Reading these definition. कॉम्पिटिशन्स क्या होता है? एक इवेंट होता है जहाँ लोग ट्राई करते हैं एक प्राइज़ को विन करने के लिए और अपने आप को बेस्ट शो करते हैं. डेफिनेशन क्या होती है बेटा? इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ अ वर्ड और अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. इट शुड बी सिंपल एंड ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये इतना सिंपल होना चाहिए कि ईजी समझ में आ जाए. राइट सिंपल डेफिनेशंस फॉर दीज वर्ड्स. इस वर्ड के सिंपल डेफिनेशन. लाइब्रेरी क्या होता है? आर रूम वेयर वी कैन collect our books and notebooks, basically books. Pilot, a person who operate the aeroplane. Television is a box where you can see the video and listen the sound. Aeroplane, it's a vehicle that used in the air. Hospital is a place where a person can go when he or she may be sick. Okay, and for treatment. Now we are the time of entertainment. We will recite the poem. I see a ship a sailing, sailing, sailing. I see a ship a sailing, sailing, sailing out to sea. The captain at the railing, railing, railing. The captain at the railing waves his hand to me. I see a ship a rolling, rolling. I see a ship a rolling, rolling. Home from the sea. I hear its bell a tolling, tolling, tolling. I hear its bell a tolling, coming home to me. I hope students you have enjoyed it and understood the chapter. Bye bye and have a nice day.